Tabu, would you like to add something to it? Because there are only 2 women on the dais. Tabu. Yeah, Tabuji. Yeah.
She's forgotten about her.
Yeah, I'm sorry. Yeah, Tabuji, would you like to
please,
add?
Tabu, please agree with me what I said about the men and women.
I agree with every word that Katrina has said here.
Thank you.
Add some of your inputs.
See, the perspective is going to change. A male is obviously going to have a different perception and perspective of a woman's mind. A woman is obviously going to have a different one. So,
hi Aditya sir.
Abhishek ji. Middle Abhishek ji.
Sir, recently you have, you're working like a same genre film, like, earlier you have done Aski 2 and Daute Ishq, again romantic film. So you want to be identified as a romantic hero, and so you are not putting any other genres. So can you comment about this, sir?
This hasn't been by plan or anything. They've all been different from each other in the same genre. They've been different types of films. But I would love to do different stuff, but people have to come to me with those things. And I rarely get excited by too many scripts.
Do you identify yourself as a romantic hero in the industry?
I've done 3 romantic films back to back, so I think I can call myself that for now.
Okay, sir. Thank you so much.
Abhishek ji. Middle. Abhishek ji. ये जो फिल्म है, इसमें जो मेन प्रोटैगनिस्ट हैं, वो सारे उर्दू भाषी हैं. और आपने फिल्म में उन्हें ऐसा दिखाया है कि दोनों जो आपका जो पॉपुलर डायलॉग है सनी देओल वाला, दूध मांगोगे तो खीर देंगे, तो क्या ये टेररिज्म पर बेस्ड है या फिर जो इनका कैरेक्टर है रानी साहिबा का वो पाकिस्तान से ताल्लुक रखती हैं?
एक्चुअली ये डायलॉग को लेके मैं आपसे अभी कुछ ज़्यादा नहीं कहना चाहूँगा, क्योंकि ये आप जब फिल्म देखेंगी तो आपके लिए...
पर रानी साहिबा का कैरेक्टर क्या पाकिस्तान से ताल्लुक रखता है?
जी, थोड़ा बहुत रखता है, मगर ये खुद पाकिस्तान से नहीं, ये कश्मीर के हैं. मगर जी हाँ, एंड इट्स नॉट एन एंटी पाकिस्तान फिल्म इन एनी वे. In any way, absolutely. It's just one particular moment in the film that the character behaves in such a way. Yeah, that's that.
Thank you.
मेरा सवाल अमृता, किस तरह से प्रमोशन होने वाले हैं फिल्म को? काफ़ी कम वक्त है, 1 महीने से जी यहाँ पर. किस तरह से प्रमोशन होने वाले हैं फिल्म का? किस तरह से आपने स्ट्रेटजी बनाई है फिल्म के बारे में?
इस तरीके से जैसे हमने आज शुरू किया है और टुडे आज 4th है और हमें 5 वीक्स हैं 12th के पहले, बट हम एकदम बैंग के साथ हमने स्टार्ट किया है, तो वील कंटिन्यू विद द बैंग. वी हैव सम अमेजिंग सॉन्ग्स. आई डोंट वांट टू से मोर बिकॉज गट्टू विल, Abhishek Kapoor will probably say not be very happy, but there's lots for us to do in the next 5 weeks.
कटरीना, आपसे सवाल है कि ये इश्क नहीं है आसान जो टैगलाइन है, आपकी जिंदगी में कितना इश्क आसान है और नहीं आसान है? कटरीना,
She heard you. It was just like hit me for a moment. I think that never a truer line has been spoken. No, it's.
I agree with that.
It's just not.
It's not easy.
Not easy.
What can you do?
It's not easy. But even though it's not easy, I think it also can be the most beautiful thing. And I guess that's why so many movies are made on love, because it is so complex. It's so hard to understand. We don't understand it. So I think it's a very, very apt line that our director has chosen.
Katrina, my question is for you. There were reports recently that there's because of the shoot has extended, the Fitur shoot has extended, because of which you had to cut down on your New Year plans, and instead of an island, you had to go to Goa. And you're upset with the team of Fitur. So is this true?
I wish that I was in Goa. This is a better version of the story of what happened. I actually was in Bombay shooting. Where were we shooting? Filmistan. So we were in Filmistan shooting for something. It wasn't that it was a reshoot. It was just there was a portion which our director wanted to just add to elaborate on something. And so we obviously were up against the deadline. So me and Adi have spent a wonderful Christmas in Filmistan.
Yes.
It was lovely.
Also, Katrina, we absolutely love the poster where you and Adi are there in the poster. The back.
You've seen it, Katrina?
Yeah. So, recently we have seen a similar pose, where Adi is replaced with Ranbir. So, what do you have to say about that?
Where is this poster? Show me now.
In the papers, and websites.
They cut out my face and put his face.
Put it in the newspaper and cut out his face.
And fans are really loving that.
I'm so sorry.
As in Photoshop, they took out my head and put his head like that.
Adi, I always wanted to be you.
It was a real life picture.
Adi, it's your poster. It'll always be you. Yeah. I'll never cut you out of the poster.
No, it was a real life picture. It was a balcony picture, real life picture, wherein, you know, where you were embraced. You were embracing.
I was embraced.
No, you were embracing.
It's always wonderful to be embraced. It's so wonderful.
Not embarrassing.
Fans are really loving that picture, and that picture's gone viral. So.
Our picture?
No.
Our poster.
The one with Ranveer.
This one's also gone viral.
But make this one go viral.
Amrita, Tamasha was also a romantic flick, and this one is also, Fitur is also a romantic flick. Are you going to promote it the same way you promoted Tamasha?
Not really, because every film is different, and Tamasha was a different film, this is a different film. And we'll do fun things in this film promotion as well. But yeah, I don't think you can compare two movies. I know what your question is, but I don't want to answer it, so.
तब्बू जी आपसे सवाल पूछना है यहाँ पर तब्बू जी यहाँ पर left में how the youth will be get connected with your movie Fitur.
We will really have to ask the youth this question.
Okay.
Certainly not me.
So
we have two.
I'm
the
youth?
lead pair. No, the general youth of the country. The lead pair is a young pair in love. So I think that says it all. The story is about their love and the torment that their love experiences, and of course the torment of each of our characters. So I'm sure they'll get connected to the film through the emotion of love, which I'm sure, like Katrina said, everybody feels. And everybody feels passion, especially when you're younger, you feel a lot more passionate. Yeah. So I guess everybody who has love and passion in their heart is going to connect to the lead pair and to the film.
We'll do college visits also.
Katrina on your left.
Hello, this is Manisha from Blockbuster. Hi, Tabu.
Yeah.
Hi. How are you?
Good, thank you. How are you?
Fine, thanks. Acha, I just wanted to ask you whether your role has shades of grey in the film. And since, I mean, as a tormentor, do you come in the way of the romantic couple in their, this thing, you know?
Well, you'll have to see the film to, for you to understand what her participation is in the story. But consciously or unconsciously, she has a role to play in their love story also.
अच्छा, आप तीनों से मेरा सवाल है कि आप तीनों के जीवन में कौन सा फितुर सर चढ़ के बोलता है? Start with Katrina. Katrina? फितुर? Okay, Tabu, start with Tabu.
अगर होता तो अब तक कुछ हो चुका होता ना?
आदित्य?
This film, nothing else.
ऐसा थोड़ी ये फिल्म तो अभी आई है.
हाँ तो. But I've been working on it for 1.5 years now.
नहीं उसके पहले?
उसके पहले दावत इश्क थी. उसके पहले आशिकी.
माने फिल्मी फितुर था.
Correct. Only.
Okay. Katrina?
Abhishek?
Katrina, answer.
Oh, I don't have an answer right now.
What kind of fitur keeps on your mind always, like, you know? It must have been there.
इनको काम का जुनून है वैसे. अगर आप इनको सेट पे देखेंगी तो आपको समझ में आएगा कि सबसे ज़्यादा फितूर इन्हीं को है कि जिस तरीके से ये काम करती हैं और जितने डेडिकेशन से ये काम करती हैं, सुनती हैं और करती हैं, इन्हें काम का फितूर बिल्कुल है.
I agree. I must say, Katrina is the most hardworking actress I've ever met, I have ever seen and worked with. We had only 3 days of shooting, but the involvement with which she works was amazing.
We'll take
just
the last.
Amazing.
Katrina, question for you here. The film obviously talks about, you know, the difficulty in two people uniting. As a star, as a top star, what do you think is the most difficult thing when you're in love?
It depends who you're in love with. Because in love, the opposition either comes from an outside force or it comes from the person you're in love with. So I think every relationship and every love story has its own conflict and has a different conflict. Sometimes it can be the conflict of you know, as I said, a third party. It can be the conflict of uncertainty. It can be the conflict of afraid of commitment. It can be so many conflicts. So I think it really does just depend who you're in love with.
Encounters that you could relate to in your character?
Sorry?
Any encounters that you could relate to in your character vis-a-vis your own life? Because that's what an actor derives from, right?
I think yes, but I think also there's probably, it's not that you literally translate everything from your own life onto film, but I think you can use moments of pain in your life to depict that, you know, if you need to show that in a film, or moments of happiness, moments of great love you felt, great sorrow. You can use those moments, but it doesn't necessarily mean that it has to be exactly the same circumstance.
Abhishek here, slightly towards your left. Here. Abhishek, there is a steamy kiss that Katrina shares with Aditya, and given the kind of sanskari
Who said that? Who said that?
So there is nothing?
Nothing like that.
Given the kind of censor board that we have in place today, do you expect any troubles when it comes to getting the film certified?
No, I'm not expecting any kind of troubles. I've not done anything wrong. I'm making a movie. It's about love, you know, and I'm not going to anticipate something that I don't perceive should exist. So keep the negativity away.
Also, there were reports that Ajay Devgan would be playing a cameo in the movie. Is it true? Is it not true? Anything that you would like to say?
I wouldn't comment on that either.
Katrina, I have a question for you. The film is releasing on Feb 12th. Feb 14th is Valentine's. What would your plans be this time around with Ranbir?
You'll be promoting with me, Katrina, on that day.
Feb 14th, I'll be gone
Alone?
from your life. It'll be Feb 12th. I'll be like, nice to know you. It was great knowing you. Bye-bye. Feb 14th, I hope and I pray that we are all very happy in our own spaces and celebrating and have got a wonderful reaction for the film. That's what I hope I'm doing.
Mark my words, we're promoting on the
Feb 12th को film लगेगी. Feb 14th को इनके घर के बाहर line लग जाएगी लड़कियों की, तो you should not have a problem at all.
No, that's a good idea.
There's a question
that's a wrap.
to all the members of the cast.
Katrina, hi. What's with the red hair?
Last question.
You have red hair, Tabu has red hair in the film.
So the connection between Tabuji and me having red hair is obviously, it's meant, I think there's kind of is a subtle thought behind it that, you know, like mother, like daughter. So there is that trying to kind of become, in a way she is becoming her mother. The reason why the color is red, or the reason why my hair is red in the film, I'm not sure if it was my idea or Gatu's idea. We'll have to ask.
Actually, it's you know, film Kashmir is a backdrop, and Kashmir की एक बहुत खूबसूरत बात यह है कि वहाँ पे चिनार के पेड़ हैं, और एक साल में एक वक्त आता है जब सारे उसके पत्ते सारे लाल हो जाते हैं. And somewhere there's a metaphor with the chinar tree and the beautiful ladies in the movie.
Have you read the novel, The Great Expectations? This to the members of the cast. And I'm Pallavi from Mebella.in. To the members of the cast, have you read the novel, The Great Expectations? And which cinematic adaptation of the novel do you like the most?
I haven't watched it. I haven't read it, sorry. I haven't read it, no. So, because I wanted to just read the script and derive whatever I had to derive from whatever was there on the script. If I was going to read the book, then I might have been looking for things that weren't there in the script. So the script is like your Bible, and you just take from that, is the way that I kind of approached it.
Abhishek, we've seen in the recent past that Heather had Kashmir as one of its backdrops, and we're seeing some sort of element of Kashmir in Fitur as well. Are you foreseeing any sort of, and Heather has had a lot of opposition, and it won a lot of praise as well. So do you see that maybe in terms of opinions, maybe there that...
No, I don't see any similarity whatsoever in this movie and Heather. I mean, you know... I'm saying in terms of backdrop of in a way, Kashmir in a way. No, I mean, even Kabhi Kabhi is shot in Kashmir. So is there any similarity? Conflict in Kashmir. No, there's absolutely zero similarity between Heather and Fitur. Other than the fact that they both star the lovely Tabu. Yeah. But there's no other similarity. This is a movie about love, and it's a love story. And it's about heartbreak. It's about, I mean, absolutely no similarities.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
Thank you, everybody.
Thank you, everyone.